In this Krista manual, we're going to go through HR activities, so stuff like supervisions and appraisals, and how to add them. So if you want to click login and just get yourself to the home screen, we're looking for human resources stuff, so that's down the left hand side under human resources, and you'll see a section there that says add HR activity. So if you want to click into that, it'll bring up the HR wizard. So the first thing you need to do is select the employee that it relates to, so I'm going to do one for myself here, and you want to select the type of HR activity that you want to use. So I want to say I want to use appraisal. So you select appraisal there and you select the date that you want it to relate to. So say if it's Monday, it's Monday the 7th, and you want to put a time in, which is hours and minutes. So 10 o'clock until 11 o'clock. It's a 24-hour clock, so that's something to note. And then you want to put in the time of your next appraisal, so we'll say it's January the 1st. So we put that in there. There's a section here you can click and drag and make the box bigger, and you can type in any notes for that HR activity, and you can actually choose a file here to upload. So if you want to upload a supervision document to relate to it, you can do that there as well. And the last sort of section at the bottom here is add actions. You can select no, you don't have to add an action to it, but if you do select an action, you can click yes, and then click next. It then gives you an option to assign an action to somebody, so I would probably assign an action to my manager, so it would be Elaine, just to say do my appraisal, and then the due date for the action, which would be Monday, and that would assign an action to Elaine. So she would get an action on her Krista to say that my appraisal would be due to be done on Monday. But I'm sure she wouldn't be needing reminded. But you can just click next, and that'll take you through the wizard, and that'll have added that HR activity. You can then choose to add another HR activity, which would just take you back through the wizard again, or you can return home. And again, if you're in the middle of an activity and then you're halfway through decide, no, I actually don't want to add an activity anymore, you can just click the home button at the top left there, and that takes you back to the home page. And like everything else, if you're then finished, just click log out to end your session.